So you're going to need 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. This is a tablespoon in each one of these bags. Bam,
So that's one.
There's our first one. Bam, done. One more. And last but not least, bam. So each one of these bags has 1 full tablespoon of active dry yeast. Bam, step 1, completed. All right, so we're going to use a cup each. It's 110 degrees. We're filling up the cup. And we're going to put it right in there. That's 1, 2.
Down.
All right, so you're gonna let that sit for how long?
About 7 minutes.
And then,
proof.
and then put the.
And then I'm gonna put the sugar in, and then the flour in.
Okay, so that's got to sit for.
The difference with using instant yeast, which I didn't have, is you have to let the yeast proof a little bit by mixing your yeast with the water, the active dry yeast that I use. So that's what I use, is active dry. And instead of adding all my ingredients like I do, I'm just letting it proof first with the water.
Huh, interesting.
And the active dry yeast instead of instant.
And then 10 minutes from now, we'll put the sugar in.
Yeah, I'm gonna do, it says 5 to 10, I'm gonna do it like 7 minutes.
Okay, checking for the proofing.
3 tablespoons of sugar each.
3 tablespoons of sugar in each one. Where do you want to start? 1, 2, 3. Bam. 1, 2, 3. Bam. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Okay, next.
Half a tablespoon of salt.
Half a tablespoon of salt. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to put 1/3 cup of oil in. That's canola oil. She's making sure she gets all the oil out. Okay. Now we put 3 cups of flour in. 3. 1 and a half. She's trying to get all the flour out of there. Look at her. Waste not, want not. 2. All right, bring her over. That's 3 for that one. 1, 2, one more, and we're golden.
All the way,
Right down. There we go. Now we've got all of our ingredients in there. We've got yeast, we've got sugar, we've got salt, we got oil, and we got our flour.
Mush them up.
So we've got to
Double bag it.
try to get the air out.
And put it in the water.
So she's going to mush it up. And we double bag it just in case there's a leak.
Interesting how quick it becomes really firm. First it seems like it's not going to thicken up at all, and then all of a sudden it goes boom and it's all thick. And so then these really, now I remember, they sit for 30 minutes in the water. Then you take them out, add another 1/4 cup of flour, massage it, and then it sits on the counter in the bag for 30 minutes. And then you basically take it out of the bag, divide it in 3 parts, braid it, egg wash it, put it on your sheet, and bake it.
And we use parchment paper.
Yeah.
Now these go in here, warm water. They sit for 1 hour.
30 minutes.
Like I said, 30 minutes. All right, so now we got to pull these out, and you can see they're risen, they're rising, And then what do we do next?
Add flour.
Oh, that's right. We've got to add flour to them. Okay, now we got to put a 1/4 cup of flour in each one of these. Here we go.
I'm going to mix it first so it doesn't
Oh,
get
we're going to mix it first. Okay.
so it doesn't sit there.
One. Looks good. Last but not least, 1/4 cup inbound. So basically, you're just trying to get all of that flour mixed in.
Make sure everything is pretty, mixed up.
All right, now we wait, what? How long?
An hour.
We gotta wait 1 hour. We're gonna cover them.
I think I'm going to put it.
We're gonna set them on there,
Yeah,
and then we'll come back in 1 hour.
I'm going to put them on the stove.
And here we go. Don't drop them. These have to sit here for 1 hour. All right, so we're gonna do a little butter to go on top of the bread. We may use this as the egg wash. Melting the butter. Pouring out the egg stuff. Oh, that's more than enough. That'll work. Don't drink it. She's smelling it. Butter. White sesame seed, butter, and egg wash. Gonna go on the bread. All right, it's time. Time for the breads. Dump in the bread. Oh, there it is. Look at it. So we cut it in 3s. And now she has to roll it out into a long turd.
I don't like that word. Don't use that.
What would you call it then? A sausage? Oh, that's a long one.
It won't really roll today at all. No, it's like, is it flour or not flour? I don't know what it is. It's not flour that makes it roll, but it doesn't really matter.
I think that this is longer than the pan.
It is until you braid it off. Remember?
Oh, that's right. You have to braid it. And when you braid it, it gets smaller.
But I just don't know why. Sometimes I can roll it out nice and sometimes I can't. I don't know why. And I don't care.
Just smush it out like that. That's a good way to do it.
Sweating.
It's a good workout for you. It's like yoga, but with bread.
Maybe no flour. No.
Oh, it's easier if there's no flour. Now, are you going to braid it on or off?
On.
Okay, so you got to kind of... Holy cow. That is one long worm. We may be doing a really tight braid on this one.
Oh, I forgot. What I did, I forgot. No. Shit. This happened last time. Oh, that's right. I just forget what's what.
I mean, there's a couple ways you could do it.
Yeah.
I think we may run out of pan.
Huh?
We might run out of pan.
No. I don't remember.
It's going to work. Yeah, that works. You're doing
Yeah,
it.
this isn't right, but it's okay because it's still
Hey,
braid.
as long as it works.
Yeah.
Just braid it. Just like you would be braiding your hair.
Yeah, it's just so funny because I completely have a mental block about it.
You have no blocks on your mental.
It's so weird.
Smush it back. Yeah. So close. And yes, you were definitely correct. It totally fit, kind of. Bam, done.
That's not it. It's just interesting because I just
This
forgot.
one's much thinner than with the other ones we made.
Yeah, I just forgot.
Here we go. So she's gonna cut it in 3s. All right, here we go. Down over there.
But I can't remember.
So each time it changes the outside one.
Yeah, that was just so.
That's it. Then this one.
Yeah, but
Then this one.
yeah.
Then this one. Then that one. Oh. All right, one more left, but we got to get a pan to stick it in.
What'd you say?
We need a pan to put it in.
Oh, I forgot I was doing them next to.
All right. Looking good.
I do the butter then the egg.
The butter, then the egg. So this is a 3-step process. First the butter, then the egg, and then the sesame seed, white sesame seed. That worked perfectly.
Yeah.
All right, now we
So
got to
it
do
literally is just one over the other.
yep, outside.
From the outside, yeah.
Outside, inside stays,
Yeah.
but it changes because each one becomes the inside.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
I don't think I used this last time. I don't.
No,
think
you
it
used
matters.
that real egg last
Yeah.
time, but this
I
is
don't think
this
it
is
matters.
this will be total vegan. So what shall we call this?
It's called bread in a bag, but I don't
Bread in a
know.
bag, but it's total vegan. Vegan bread in a bag. That way you don't get any animal products, but you do get your daily required amount of plastic.
What?
There's just no getting away from it. And the timing is going to be perfect because we're going to have 5 minutes
Yeah.
with the other bread, and then we put this in. And then how long does this cook?
I think it's similar. I have to look.
35 minutes? Okay. Next comes the white sesame. Oh yeah. That's going to be delicious.
Look at the timing of this. Was that crazy?
It's perfect timing. It's because you're a genius. Yeah, get some sesame on there. I love sesame.
I know.
Oh, that's going to be phenomenal right there. That was well done. All right, now we got to put it in the oven. So now we're going to set it for 300 degrees at 40 minutes for this. All right, we're checking it. We're switching them because that one was getting too quick. So now we go. How long has it been in?
Well, this says 9 more minutes. We set it for 35, remember?
Okay. And this bread's done. Should we taste it?
I just pressed my teeth. You can taste it.
Looks good. All right, let's try it out. Good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos where we make stuff like this. Yummy.